Okay, Jack. What do you think about procrastination?
Procrastination is something everyone does sometimes. It's not always about being lazy. Often it's because we feel tired, stressed, or unsure where to start. Someone procrastinate. It could be a student who has a big essay due in a week, keeps putting it off. Instead of starting early, they spend their time watching shows or scrolling through their phone, telling themselves they'll do it later. As the deadline gets closer, they start to feel stressed and end up rushing to finish it. The night is the night before it's due.
That's a very reasonable answer. So, what do you think about the solution to procrastination? What do you think about it?
Oh, the solution to procrastination.
Yes, please.
Break down bigger tasks into smaller steps to make it less overwhelming.